All right, everybody. I'm still not used to this camera yet. I'm so used to like looking at all my cameras over here and waving down there. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I am still in love with this color palette. So I am just going, all out with different techniques. So I did a puddle pour with a swipe of white through it. And that's what I'm gonna do with these colors that I have left over. So it's my metallic, kind of like a cobalt blue, my fluorescent pink by Soho Acrylics. I got it from Jerry's, I just buy it from Jerry's Artorama. And then aqua green and some of my table leftover blue from the bases of the other ones. If you missed the other ones, I'll put them below the video in the description. I'll try to link them in a card. All right, I think I'm just gonna get started. So if you missed my first puddle one, I just puddled colors in true Melly D fashion, and I then swirled them a little bit, and then I swiped them. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna start, I think with my lighter metallic blue. These paints are very thick. My pouring medium is gonna be below the video in the description, but it's US floetrol, gloss medium varnish, and 70-30%, and about I'd say 1 part paint to 3 parts medium. All right, I'm gonna come in. I don't know if I'm gonna save my pink for last. Let me tell you, I had a pretty stressful and rough couple of weeks, and your guys' comments, I looked at my Facebook alone, I had 5,000 comments for the month. And YouTube is about the same, Instagram's about the same, TikTok's a little bit less, but I don't get to them all, and I am sorry, I can't. But I read them and I see you and I appreciate you. Please know that. I try my best, but reading through the comments on the video about talking, you made me happy, so thank you. All right, doing my blue. Now this looks like it's the other one with the blues and I did just an ocean blue swipe, but that pink I think is gonna bring this together. I'm trying to find out where I need my dark blue. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more right there. And then I think I'm gonna have the pink be the rest of this. Yeah, social media is its own full-time job. That is for sure, for anybody that is also doing this. But your comments make me so happy. Oh, this pink. And if you don't get a response and you have a question that you really want to know the answer to, my email is below in the description box, info@mollysartistry.com. Email me if you have a question. I check my email much more regularly. Right there, I knew it was missing. Okay, I think that's it. And as I stretch, the rest of it will go. So now I'm gonna come in. So the moral of that story was, I love you all. Okay, all right. Okay. Had a lot of air bubbles from what I scraped off the tip. Oh, that was a bug. Inevitably, that bug will end up in my painting. Must have been a good life bug. The pink with these blues has created an amazing purple. Okay, I maybe went a little bit happy there. It's still going. I'm done. I'm done. Okay. Here we go. I don't know if I'm going to swipe a lot or a little. I feel like these paintings, the decisions get made while I'm on camera. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's one. Love it. I don't know if I want to go minimalistic here and just do maybe one swipe or two swipes. One swipe, no, I'll definitely do another one, but maybe I'll come in through here. That will probably go off the edge there a little bit. That's definitely going to go off the edge there. I think I'm going to do one more swipe down here and then that's it. I do want to swipe. I'm going to take a small one and swipe right there because I went with my palette knife and I scraped across them, swiped across them, and it made a muddy section right there that I know will drive me crazy once it's stretched out. Maybe I'm just gonna come up through here. Down through there. Okay, now in with the small palette knife for the details. Oh, that had a lot of blue in it. Okay, where did I say? Right here, right? So I'm gonna swipe this way. Drag that on through. Nope, swiping it back that way. I don't know if I like that yet. That got a little muddy again right through there. Okay, I like that a little bit better. And then I feel like I like all that. All that's good. That corner will most likely get stretched off, but I might just do one little swipe through it right here. Okay, let's see how this one turns out. I'm excited. All right, gonna stretch this. I don't want to lose that corner, so I'm gonna stretch that corner first. I lost that corner. Okay, I don't want to lose that corner though. I knew that most of that would get swiped off. Gotta start holding underneath because I'm getting close to the sides. I'm just stretching this back out. And then once it gets over there, stretch that back out again. Okay, I ended up liking that spot in the middle. Oh, I had something right there. Let me see if I can get a little bit of purple. Oh, that was light. This part, I did get a little happy with my swirls, I will say. But I just want to add, I mean, I'm swirling more, but I want to take I'm just creating a specific motion. So I added a little bit more of that negative space blue right through there. That corner not touching, love it. But right through here, this one part is what I don't like. I feel like through here. I was just looking for a little bit more negative space. Now I can draw my lines back through there. I'm gonna leave that. And then this right here. Oh yes, love it. I'm not gonna break that up. I'm done. I say I'm done, but this section right here, I just don't know. Okay. All right, it's the small little things, but I keep going until it's definitely got the feel I want, and this is the feel I want. I'm super happy about it. I'll show you. I am just in love with this technique and with the colors. Wow, look at that. That fluorescent pink, especially when mixed with this color combination, is just, I really like it. The lacing, let me get you out of the light. Up here in that corner, it looks red, absolutely gorgeous. And down there, that is my, I think maybe my favorite all-time swipe piece. So the puddle swipe is definitely one of my favorite techniques, I think. Or at least it's a close second to the blow dryer. I don't know, I'm still trying to decide. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Happy painting. Bye.